The AI use case workshop is for any organization that is interested in solving problems in their customers' experience.
Often people are still a little unsure as to what AI is and how to best use it.
There are three areas where we have seen clients are focusing most on and where they are getting the most impact. One is marketing and sales. The second is customer experience, and the third is employee experience.
A lot of reports will tell you that the biggest obstacle between companies and realizing the value of their data is the lack of connectivity between those CIO data functions and those product and marketing functions. So the AI use case workshop is really designed to bridge that gap. And that whole process would probably take about a day. So a 2 to 3 hour session, really examining the journey and some of the pain points and frustrations. And then another 2 to 3 hour session, really getting into the use cases, prioritizing those, and thinking about how do we get from where you are to where you need to be in order to actively activate these use cases that we've come up with. Before we get into the workshop itself, we would want to start with a week or potentially a couple weeks of research in order to better understand what types of customers you have and what types of problems those customers have.
We look at the business outcomes that we're trying to achieve against the user outcomes.
Then we would take that, and that's the first step of the workshop, is to just walk through that together and understand where the pain points and the challenges are that customers are experiencing. Then we move into a rapid ideation exercise wherein we're generating tons of ideas, and it's really about volume, where we're trying to just really stimulate creative thought and think about new, novel ways to implement and activate your data in order to solve those problems in alignment with the business outcomes. And then there's more layers of prioritization, and then finally you're going to end up with a set of prioritized use cases that are rooted in business outcomes that are really driven by the specific pain points and frustrations that your customers are experiencing.
AI use case workshops allow you to actually step back and imagine more broadly than just pain points.